passionate from the very beginning. We have been moving and processing paper for over 100 years. Today, we are the market leader in modular solutions for paper finishing in high-performance digital printing. We shape paper. We refine paper. We love and live paper in its almost limitless variety, from mailings to documents to books and much more. With 100% Swiss precision and the highest level of innovation in every step of the process. We offer reliable support from the initial consultation to production and beyond, everywhere in this world. As a modern and sustainable family business with a production site in Switzerland, we focus on people. We are partner, employer, and trainer. All our passion culminates in one promise: excellence in paper processing.